Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Acer Iconia M10 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with entering the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the passwords and accounts. Of course you can use this Google section, but I prefer this one, so let me tap on it. Now we have to tap on this plus icon and add account option. Let's tap and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, and here you have to choose who's going to use this device. So just tap on the specific option. And here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, and tap on next. And right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, after entering the password, tap on next. Here we can read Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Just tap on it and learn more, and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can also remove this account whenever you want to. Just tap on it, and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.